We've all heard of n8n. It's an open source AI agent and automation platform that lets you build and deploy agents locally to automate almost anything, from sending out emails to creating digital employees that can act as a PM, software engineer, and so many other roles. The challenge with n8n, though, is that it can feel quite intimidating for new users. There are a lot of components to actually manage, and translating an idea into a workflow often requires deep awareness with the tool. That's where DeepAgent comes in. DeepAgent is a general AI super agent that can practically do it all. It's an all-in-one AI agent, but now they introduced a new n8n style visual workflow builder that dynamically is easier to use because it's powered by natural language prompts and an agentic reasoning layer using state-of-the-art models. So instead of just manually wiring every step with the visual builder, DeepAgent is going to let you generate, adapt, and optimize workflows based on the goals, constraints, and real-world inputs. The workflow acts as the execution engine, while the AI model serves as the planner, the decision maker, and bringing the AGI narrative into real practical business automation. You can obviously get started with the low-code workflow builder, where you can use it to drag and drop different nodes to build out your automation, or you can use the natural language workflow, which I just mentioned, where you simply describe the outcome you want and DeepAgent builds the entire pipeline, then reviews it, refines it so that it is ready to use. Just take a look at this example where DeepAgent automatically creates a multi-step workflow. And this is an automation to automate data extraction and also creating a report based off of the various sorts of files that you upload. You can see that it meticulously creates a pretty intricate workflow that has different sorts of functionalities where it calculates the growth, the year, growth calculation, the profit margin, and so many other KPIs. And it then organizes the data into structured financial outputs with various sorts of metrics. And you can see that it's able to end up creating a clear, auditable pipeline as well as a report. And this overall automates the process of data entry as well as data extraction and then creating an analysis on top of it. Here is another workflow that was built off of a natural language prompt that was sent in. And the purpose of this workflow is to extract various sorts of leads and then have an AI agent work on the outreach on tackling those new leads that it had found. And you can see that it's able to draft up different emails and it's able to even send out those emails for you. And what you can also do is have a follow up agent directly built based off of the natural language prompt that you send in to Abacus AI's Deep Agent, which will work on tackling each and every component of your workflow. So you can edit and configure each node based off of the prompt that you send in. And this way you can automate a simple task like this. And you can even have it so that you can automate this task of reaching out to new brands to maybe secure new clients. But thanks to Abacus AI for sponsoring today's video. And to get started, you can use the link in the description below and you can head over to this page where you can simply get started if you do not have an account. To get started, you need to pay approximately $10 per user billed monthly. But that is going to get you access to obviously DeepAgent, which not only has the capability to use the AI workflow feature, but you can create chatbots, create PowerPoints, automate browser-based tasks, and so much more. And not just that, you get access to various sorts of Abacus AI suite of tools like ChatLM, where you can chat with state-of-the-art models like Claude 4.5 Sonnet or something like Gemini directly in one unified chatbot. You can also use their state-of-the-art Abacus AI desktop agent, which is a coding agent and editor built within, and you can get a lot out of that. I've already made multiple videos on it, so you can take a look at it from my channel. But now let's go ahead and click on get started. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis. So this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. Then once you have created an account or logged in, you can then head over to DeepAgent. And this is where you can start working with the new AI workflow feature. This is where you can either upload files or you can use a fast mode to generate your workflow. But since I want to have it meticulously create my workflow, I'm going to add it a descriptive prompt as to what I want it to create. This is where I am creating an agentic lead extraction workflow that accepts different sorts of inputs like the demo one. But in this case, I wanted to have it so that it then creates a full detailed report, a summary report which is ensuring all the data is traceable to sources and logging it for step-by-step auditability. So it is going to then work on refining it before it works on creating it. So you can specify the clarification that it's requesting. And after providing the additional information, you can see that it is going to then execute the code to then develop this workflow. And you can see that it does a great job and it details out each and every step. And you'll see this when it finishes coding out this workflow. You can then access it and you're going to be able to visualize the workflow to see what it actually built. And once it finishes generating the workflow, you can then access it directly by testing and editing the actual visual workflow. And this is where it'll display the nodes condensed down for the lead extraction and scoring pipeline. You can then also test it out directly where you can click on test workflow and you can see what you can actually extract with this workflow. So you have the option of either providing a URL, plain text, email content, or priority roles that you want to have it extract. In this case, I am going to attach a demo leads file, and essentially we're going to have it extract the contents that we're looking for. You can simply go ahead and click submit, and now the AI is going to work towards these multiple steps to extract everything for us. And once it finishes extracting the contents, you'll see that it is going to then create a complete leads list. Now, in this demo, I didn't provide all of the details because YouTube doesn't like it when I showcase emails or phone numbers. But in this case, it was able to extract the website contents, the company name, as well as the URL. And then if it is related to whatever we're looking to extract, like the high intent leads, then it will display it over here based off of the scoring. And then it can even generate an audit. It will also generate an executive summary report, which we can actually take a look at. This is where it'll describe how many types of A tier, B tier, C tier leads it had found. And you can see that this is giving us a low priority because it does not fit our scoring tier that we had created. And it provides us the executive summary of the performance of the leads that it caught. Here is another demo where I simply just requested it to create an agentic invoice data extraction workflow. And this is where it extracts different sorts of contents from various sorts of file types. And then it creates a summary off of that as well. But here within the workflow builder, you have the ability to craft up your own workflow. So rather than relying on the AI to build out all your components, you can add in different sorts of nodes. And these are basic function nodes that make your automation truly what it is. So you can add in a tool or you can add in a decision, which is where you can add a condition, which is only executing when a certain condition is met, or based off of whenever you get an email, or something like looping the node so that it works in a continuous loop. There's so many different types of nodes within these four primary templates, but you also have the ability to create a custom node where you can describe the AI that you want to configure the node with, and it is then going to create a node for that. So in this case, I had created a Python execution node, and you can then connect it to either an input or so that you can have it so that it outputs something and then delivers it to whoever is accessing it. But just take a look at it live in action. This is where you can upload your PDF of an invoice, and then it's going to work on extracting the key components that we're looking for, like the tax, total amount, currency. And then it will validate tools against line items, it'll flag inconsistencies, and then it's going to structure all of the results into an output. That is where it will also combine a combined invoice table and a summary report. So you can upload multiple invoices in this case, and it is going to extract the key components that we're looking for. And you can see that it was able to extract the contents based off of that single invoice that was provided. It passed the validation as well. And it was able to extract all of the components from this sample PDF. And you can see that it was able to get everything correctly, which is great to see. And it is also going to generate the JSON export so that you can use it for whatever purpose you're looking to use it for. Automations truly got a lot more easier with this new workflow feature, and I highly recommend that you start using this with the links in the description below, because not only do you get access to the workflow builder, which you can easily create with a simple prompt, but you get access to so many other cool things like the ability to create chatbots, different sorts of PowerPoints, videos, and so much more. I'll leave all these links in the description below. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join the newsletter, join our Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there is a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys further shortly. Peace out, fellas.